we off to, babe?
Say it again.
Where are we off to, babe?
Which Sundays?
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take it right, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am on Whitehaven Beach right now and it's absolutely stunning. We are staying on Hamilton Island for 4 days and I'm going to see what this place has to offer. So let me show you around the Whitsunday.
Flying into Hamilton Island is pretty cool as the scenery flying in is gorgeous and you land right on the island. We booked an Airbnb to stay at as accommodation on Hamilton Island has been really hard to get since the pandemic, and our accommodation included a golf buggy which is essential for getting around the island. Our apartment had beautiful views of the ocean and was spacious and comfortable. After checking in, we got back on the buggy and headed down to the marina for a look around and to get some food from the IGA. One of the distinctive features of Hamilton Island Marina is its vibrant retail and dining precinct. Visitors can find a variety of shops, boutiques and galleries selling everything from clothing and souvenirs to jewellery and art. The area is home to several restaurants, cafes and bars, offering a diverse selection of cuisines and dining experiences. We then headed over to the Reef View Hotel to book some tours, and wow, this place has had a beautiful makeover since the last time I was here about 10 years ago. It was almost time for sunset, so we hooned up to One Tree Hill, which is the famous spot that everyone goes to watch the sun go down over the ocean.
Tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the
And we met the gorgeous little Gary, the cockatoo that is losing all his feathers. Apparently he is very well known around here. The next morning we were up bright and early for a trip to Whitehaven Beach. A half-day trip with Cruise Whitsundays is $140 per person, Australian dollars, and it takes about an hour's boat ride out to Whitehaven Beach. And the weather wasn't great when we left, but thankfully it cleared up once we arrived. This is one of the most stunning beaches in all of the world. The pristine white sand and aqua blue water is what dreams are made of. Well, mine are anyway. And honestly, half a day here is never enough time. By the time we got back to our room, the rain had set in again. After a bit of a relax, we headed down to the marina to get a chai latte.
Where are we going, babe? get it right this time.
But the cafes were closed by this time, so we went to the Marina Tavern for an afternoon drink and snack.
Cheers.
And we had some company while we were there.
Yeah.
God, I love lowercase.
Then we headed out to watch the sunset. This time we went down the road from One Tree Hill, where we found a secluded spot on a piece of land that had 2 chairs sitting there waiting for us.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my...
There was only a tiny bit of colour in the sky for sunset tonight. Then we went for a hoon down at the marina on dusk, and it was so pretty with all the festoon lights and the last light of day.
Hi.
Well,
Oh, the sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind.
The next morning we woke up to more rain, so we had breakfast on the balcony with the locals. Apparently there are more cockatoos on Hamilton Island than people, and they are super cute. I had a pet cockatoo when I was a kid, so I especially love them.
Get away from it. Red. Sure about the strawberry.
Just after lunch the weather had started to clear, so we decided to go for a hike up to Passage Peak, which is the highest point on the island. Rising 234 metres above sea level, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding turquoise waters of the Great Barrier Reef and the lush greenery of Whitsunday Islands. It took us about an hour to hike up, and it wasn't too strenuous. It was so worth it for the views from the top. The next morning we woke up to a beautiful day, of course, because it was the day we were leaving. So we made the most of the last day with our buggy hire, which is so much fun to drive around. We went back up to One Tree Hill. Then back down along the marina. And over the hill to Cat's Eye Beach. There are loads of pools to swim in that are free if you are staying on the island, as well as complimentary non-motorised water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding. There's a cool ping pong table area too that's great for rainy day fun. We also came across Gary while we were enjoying the sun down at Cat's Eye Beach.